Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JOBS4HIRE. Today we are gonna to learn about human resource planning. So what is human resource planning? It means the process of number of employees required plus skills they have. Simply we say HRP, which means right number of people plus right skills plus at the right time. Objective: why do companies do human resource planning? The main objective is shortage of employees, which means to avoid. Number 2, to avoid extra employees, it means surplus. Number 3, to ensure work flow smoothly. Number 4, it prepares future business growth. Number 5, it reduces labor cost and improve productivity or efficiency. So here let's talk about steps in HRP. 1. Forecasting future manpower needs. Second one, assessing current employees. Third one, identifying gaps, which means shortage or surplus. Fourth one, action plan, hiring, training, transfers. So let's discuss keenly about steps taken in the HRP. So here is the first one, forecasting future manpower needs or requirements, which means the company calculates how many employees are needed furtherly, which means for the future. So it checks in the forecasting. For example, a new project is gonna be required in the next month. So then the company do more staffing. Number 2, assessing current manpower, which means the company currently checks how many employees are currently available plus and what are the skills and performance level they have. For example, 5 recruiters the company have. So here is number 3, identifying gap. If the requirement is more than availability, it leads to shortage of employees. If the availability is more than requirement, it leads to surplus of employees. For example, company needs 8 recruiters, but currently they have 5 recruiters. So shortage of recruiters is 3. The difference is called gap. So this difference is called gap. Step is fourth step, action plan. If the company has shortage of employees, it do recruit new employees, give training or offer promotions. If the company has surplus of employees, it do transfer employees, retrain, hiring profiles on hold, reduce staff or layoffs. So here let's discuss about identifying gap. So identifying gap means checking whether there is a shortage or surplus of employees. Action plan means deciding what steps to take to solve that shortage or surplus. So let's discuss about real-time HR example so that everyone will understand clearly. Step 1, what is that? Forecasting, which means a company need 8 recruiters. Step 2, assessing current manpower, means currently company has 5 recruiters. Step 3, identifying gap, so the shortage of 3 recruiters. Step 4, action plan. So the what company will do, start recruitment for 3 recruiters. This process is called HRP, means human resource planning. Okay, so here HRP helps company ensure that right number of employees with the right skills are available at the right time. So if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe for Jobs for Hire.